Want to learn how to do this? Then watch this video. Click on new video. Then you import the video you want to work with, the video I'm working with. The next thing you're going to do now, you also import the photo you want to work with. You turn this video to overlay. You look for overlay. Then from where you want to start from, I delete the unnecessary part. Okay. I'll resize the image. You duplicate this video again. You turn this video that you've duplicated to overlay. You bring it under the photo. Now this last video you duplicated, you click on it and go to remove background. This auto remover. Now you see the photo is behind it, right? Because it has already removed. You see it? Go ahead and save your video to your gallery. Thank you and follow for more. Endeavor to subscribe if you want to learn how to do this video next so you don't miss it when I upload it.